take it away.
Hello lovelies, we are jumping straight into this DIY volume cluster lashes tutorial featuring the Eyelash cluster lashes, and I will have them linked down below in the description box so that way you guys can check them out. This tutorial is a little bit more for my intermediate babes, so if you are a beginner to applying cluster lashes, definitely make sure you check out my beginner lash cluster tutorial video. I will have that video linked to this one. But as you guys can see, we are starting with the outer corner and working our way in. For this look, I wanted to go for like a doll baby eye look. So the map that I'm going to be using for my lashes today is 14, 16, 18, 18, 16, 14. So basically I'm putting the shorter lengths on the outer corners and the longer lengths on the inner corner. And one thing that I like to do when applying my cluster lashes is overlapping them. So as you guys can see, once I place the next lash on, I'm overlapping it with the previous lash so that way there are no gaps, no spaces. And after I have applied the lash cluster, I just like to go back in with the tweezers and press that lash band into my natural lash line so that way I get some extra security. And here I'm going in with some more bond for the inner corners. And again, we're going to start with an 18, 16, and then a 14. And when you're applying your bond, you just apply it like it's a mascara and just comb it through your lashes. And again, we're just going to overlap each lash as we apply it so that way there are no spaces, and go back in and press those lashes into the lash line with the bottom of the tweezers. Here is what one layer of lashes looks like, and now we're going to apply our seal. With the seal, I like to look down into my mirror so that way I can make sure I see exactly where I'm placing this seal. You just want to press the seal into the bottom of the lash line all the way across, and I'm very generous with this. As you guys can see, I'm going back in with another layer of seal just so that way I can make sure that my lashes are long lasting. And once I've applied the seal, I like to go in with a beauty fan just to dry everything in place. And I didn't get it on camera, but I also go on top of the lashes as well with the seal too and place that closer to the lash line just so that way we can make sure these lashes are waterproof and not going anywhere. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to make these a mega volume set by applying another layer of lashes. So this time I'm going to actually start with the 16, so I'm not going to place another 14 on the outer corner, but I'm going to start with the 16 and place that lash right over top of the other 16, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing with the 18 as well. So we're just going to overlap those lashes in the middle or the center of the eye. And how I'm applying these lashes is I'm taking some of the bond and just simply applying that to the lash line or the band of the cluster and placing that right on top of the lash. So again, I'm taking the cluster lash, dipping the band of it into the bond, and then I'm going to place that cluster lash on top of the first lash that I applied so that way we can have a more volumizing effect. And I just love how this style came out. I think this is going to be my new favorite lash map. You guys let me know down below in the comments how you guys like this lash map. Are you guys more feeling the cat eye version that I did in my first lash cluster video, or do you like this style better? Definitely let me know, but I think I'm leaning towards this one. And again, we're just going to repeat the same thing. Take the lash cluster, dip it into the lash bond, and lay that lash right over top of the lash that you want to double up or make more volumizing. And once I have applied all of the lashes, I'm going to go back in with some more seal as well just to seal everything in place. And before I do that, I just like to take my tweezers and press the lashes together just so that way I know everything is nice and secure. And again, I'm going to take the seal and apply that all over the bottom lashes that we have applied so that way they are nice and secure and nothing is moving around. And again, take my beauty fan and lock everything in place. And here are the final results of how this volume DIY lash cluster set turned out. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and of course remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will catch you guys in the next video.